JPMorgan Chase Company is a multinational investment bank and financial services company based in New York City. The company was formed in 2000 through the merger of Chase Manhattan Corporation and JPMorgan & Company. It is the largest bank in the United States and one of the largest banks in the world, with total assets of over $3 trillion. JPMorgan Chase & Company is a leader in the financial services industry, with a strong presence in investment banking, asset management, private banking, and retail financial services. The company has a long and storied history, dating back to 1799 when it was founded as the Bank of New York. The company's CEO is Jamie Dimon, who has led the company since 2005. Under Dimon's leadership, JPMorgan Chase has consistently been one of the most profitable banks in the world, and it has consistently ranked as one of the best-performing companies in the S&P 500. One of the key reasons for JPMorgan Chase's success is its diversified business model. The company operates in a wide range of financial services, including investment banking, asset management, commercial banking, and retail financial services. This diversification has helped the company weather economic downturns and regulatory changes, as it has been able to rely on its strong performance in one area to offset weakness in another. JPMorgan Chase has a strong presence in investment banking, and it is one of the top-ranked investment banks in the world. The company's investment banking division advises and underwrites for a wide range of clients, including corporations, governments, and financial institutions. It is known for its expertise in mergers and acquisitions, and it has advised on some of the largest and most complex deals in the world. In addition to its investment banking division, JPMorgan Chase also has a strong asset management business. The company manages assets for a wide range of clients, including institutional investors, high-net-worth individuals, and retail investors. It offers a wide range of investment products, including mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, and hedge funds. JPMorgan Chase also has a significant presence in the private banking sector, serving high-net-worth individuals and families. The company offers a wide range of financial services, including wealth planning, investment management, and estate planning. Finally, JPMorgan Chase has a large retail banking division, serving individual consumers and small businesses. The company offers a wide range of financial products and services, including checking and savings accounts, credit cards, mortgages, and loans. In conclusion, JPMorgan Chase & Company is a financial services giant with a diversified business model and a strong presence in investment banking, asset management, private banking, and retail financial services. The company has a long history of success and is well positioned for the future thanks to its strong leadership and financial strength.